In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to promote NFTs on OpenSea. We'll focus on the exact places inside OpenSea that shape how your collection is discovered and perceived, so you can turn casual views into confident collectors. Start by heading to OpenSea. Once you land on the homepage, look to the left sidebar and open Studio. This is your command center for collections and items. Inside Studio, select the NFT collection you want to promote. Choosing the right collection first keeps all the edits and updates consistent, which helps with brand recognition and trust. Next, open the Media and Metadata section. This is where visual quality and descriptive accuracy come together. Click View, Edit to access the detailed controls. Open a specific NFT from your collection so you can check it up close. Spend a moment reviewing the traits. Traits power filters, rarity insights, and search on OpenSea, so clear naming, consistent formatting, and complete properties make your items easier to find. If a trait is unclear or duplicated, consider standardizing the wording so collectors instantly understand what makes the piece special. Take a look at the price history for the item. Even a quick scan helps you understand past demand and volatility, which informs your listing strategy and promotional messaging. A stable history can signal reliability, while recent movement can create urgency when you showcase the piece. Now, head back to the collection's overview page. At the top, use the pencil icon to edit the collection profile. This is a critical promotional touchpoint because it's often the first thing visitors see. Update the banner media so it visually captures your collection's theme and tone. Aim for a high-resolution image that crops well across different screens, avoids clutter near the edges, and complements your item thumbnails. Consistent colors and typography help your collection feel polished and intentional. When your banner looks right, click Save. Always allow a moment for changes to apply, then double-check the collection page to make sure everything appears crisp and aligned. Saving after each meaningful change protects your progress and prevents mismatches between what you intended and what visitors see. Finally, make sure your account is verified. Verification adds a visible layer of trust that reassures buyers they're viewing the authentic collection. A complete profile, clear branding, and consistent links to your official channels support the verification process and help your collection stand out in search and category pages. With your metadata refined, visuals upgraded, and profile verified, your collection is ready to make a strong first impression on OpenSea.